Hello and welcome back to the Pine Cone, the monthly newsletter from the Pines Resort. As you can see, I'm on the top of a mountain and beautiful Bass Lake is right behind me. We have an action-packed newsletter for the month of June, so stay there and sit tight for all of the details. I'm Weatherman Bob.
First up, Yosemite National Park. This year, reservations are required for weekend visits in June. While initial slots sold out quickly, additional spots will be released a week in advance. Pro tip, set your alarm for 8 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays to snag these spots. Make sure to log on early and set up your account ahead of time to stay ahead of the crowd. Don't let the reservation system keep you from visiting. June 2024 is California Mountain Biking Month, and Bass Lake is the perfect hub for your mountain biking adventures. Join the pledge this month and participate by taking a friend biking, hitting the trails, engaging with local trail stewardship organizations, and speaking up for how much trails mean to our community. Visit camtb.org to learn more and get involved. And now another important update from Yosemite. The Mist Trail will be undergoing much needed repairs starting July 1st until October. The trail will be closed Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., but will remain accessible on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays. Plan your hikes accordingly. Folks, let me tell you, here at the Pines, Bass Lake is looking full this year, making it absolutely perfect for swimming, boating, jet skiing, and kayaking. Enjoy all the water activities this summer. Come on down and see for yourself. And that is not all. Let's talk about the exciting events at Bass Lake this summer. First up, the Bass Lake Live Summer Concert Series continues with tickets available at basslake.com/events. The Craft Fair returns Father's Day weekend in the Pines Village with new vendors and live music on Friday and Saturdays. Comedy Night is on June 29th, featuring comedians from LA and the Bay Area with pre-show entertainment, champagne, and appetizers. And save the date July 28th for Bass Lake's Twist on Taylor tribute concert featuring family fun events, bracelet exchanges, themed drinks, and an epic photo booth. You don't want to miss out on these fantastic events.
And that's all, folks, for this edition of the Pine Cone newsletter. I'm your host, Weatherman Bob, and we can't wait to see you here in beautiful Bass Lake. Until next time, stay safe, stay hydrated, and have fun. Bye-bye.